Right then, so today we're going to fix a few niggles that I've got with the car. One of which is it's chugging along when it's driving, so it's like dropping off power, revs are bouncing as it's driving, so sounds like probably struggling to get air somewhere. The other is, if I just get it to start, if it will start, it's freezing. The other is a problem with this light switch. You can see the lights are on an auto, and I mean you can't really see because the window's all frozen, but it's daylight. It shouldn't, obviously the light shouldn't be on auto. If you flick it over to that when it's on and tap it, the lights are turning on, and it does this while you're driving along, so we need to change that switch. The third problem is one of the bulbs went the other day, and the only bulb I had available was a bulb from a truck, which is 24 volts and not 12 volts, so you can see it's a bit dimmer on there. So these are the parts that I've got obviously some bright bulbs, because the ones that were on the car even before I put the truck bulb in were absolutely abysmal. This is what the light switch looks like when it's fully taken out. Bought this off eBay because I didn't need to take out a mortgage to get one off. Get one from Mercedes, and this is one of the door panel. This is one of the trims that go on the inside of the door that somebody's kicked off when they get out of the car. So I'm gonna have to glue that back on as well. Perfect, but it'll do. Yeah, to get the old one out, you turn it all the way to park, pull it out, and then twist. And it should just pop off like that. And then there's 3 clips here, 1, 2, 3, which you need to squeeze together and pull to get it out, which I'm gonna have to put the camera down so you won't be able to see me doing that. Right, so I've got the, I'll turn the lights on. Yeah, so once you've squeezed them 3 plugs together, simply pulls out. There's a little pin on the back that you've got to take this plug out with. Once you've got the plug out, just plug the new one in, which I'm not going to be able to do with one hand. Yep, that's the new one plugged in, and then just presses in. Hear it click, and then you might need to straighten this up because. Right, so that is the new bulbs in. They are quite a bit brighter, to be fair. These are the old bulbs. See, that was the one that was, I mean, standard one, but it was a bit dim anyway. And then this was obviously when my bulb went. The only bulb I had available in the car was a truck bulb, because, well, I used to be a truck mechanic, so for some reason I had a truck bulb in the car. I almost forgot, this was, so I found out what the issue with the car chugging along is this pipe keeps dropping off like that. So it is just a case of pick it up and push it back into place, click it back into place, but I'm going to need to find a way to attach that better, but that's a job for another day.